Happy morning to all. In today's class, we are going to learn Childhood in Malabar, a memoir written by Kamaladas. Here we have to pronunciate this word memoir. Memoir means recollections. Okay, this is a novel. Childhood in Malabar is a novel. This lesson is an extraction of this novel. Okay, Malabar is a place. It is located in Kerala. Okay. In this topic, we are going to learn some Malayalam words first. Here you see the first word, Edati. Edati means brother's wife. In Tamil, we are saying Anni. Etan. Etan or Chetan. Chetan means brother. Etan means elder brother. Okay. Etan means elder brother. Amma. Amma means mother's mother. In Tamil, we are saying Ammachi, Ammai. Okay. In English, mother's mother. Okay. In Malayalam, Ammamma. How do we say Ammamma? Then Muttasi. Muttasi means father's mother. Muttasi means father's mother. In Tamil, we are saying Appata. Okay. Then you see the word Tekini. It's in Malayalam. Tekini means backyard of the house. Okay. Backyard. Backyard. Kollapuram. We are saying in Tamil. Ammai. Ammai means mother-in-law. Auntie. Ammai means Ammai in Malayalam. In English, mother-in-law. Okay. Auntie. Cheriyamma means chitti. Cheriyamma means chitti. Ammaman means uncle. Ammaman means uncle. Okay. Let us read the lesson detailed. First, we see the characters. Kamaladas is the author of this lesson. This is a biography of Kamaladas. Kamaladas, her brother, Meenakshi Edati, Maladi Kutti, Ammamma, Muttasi, Ammai, Shankaran Nair, Balan, and servant woman. These are the characters in this lesson. Okay. Let us see the detailed portions. Here I gave the notes of this lesson. Now I explain. Here Kamaladas and her elder brother were invited to Ambalattal family. Okay. We have to say this word Ambalattal family. This is the name of the family. There Kamaladas and her brother visited. They were invited for the birthday function. So they were visited there. There Maladi Kutti took Kamaladas and her elder brother to the serpent shrine. Serpent shrine means snake temple. In Tamil we are saying Putru Kovil. There Maladi Kutti took Kamaladas and her brother. There Meenakshi Edati setting out turmeric, milk and bananas for the snakes. Who is Meenakshi Edati? Meenakshi Edati is the distant relative of Ambalattal family. Okay. Here you see Edati means brother's wife. Okay. See, Meenakshi Edati is the distant relative of Ambalattal family. She is working in Ambalattal family. She was dependent on the generosity. By being poor, she was a poor lady, so she was depend that family, Ambalattal family. She was doing lot of work in that house. Okay. Here Kamaladas was describing about Meenakshi Edati. She was a dark skin and middle-aged woman. Okay. Then she told about Meenakshi. She spent her time rushing around the house and compound, never stopping to rest. She always working in the house. Who was working there? Meenakshi. Meenakshi was always working in that Ambalattal family. Okay. Next. Meenakshi Edathi did the work like welcoming the oracle with an offering of paddy. Okay. And then she is lighting all the lamps at dusk. Dusk means evening time, opposite of the dawn. Dawn opposite dusk. Dusk means evening time. During the evening time, she was lighting all the lamps. Okay. In those days, they were using the kerosene lamp or oil lamps. Okay, so she was lighting all the lamps at dusk and churning the curd. She is churning the curd and taking out the butter for the children. Okay, and also she was drawing designs with the rice pattern on the door on the day of the Neera festival. In Kerala, they are celebrating Neera festival. During that Neera festival, Meenakshi Edathi was using the rice pattern to drawing designs. Okay, then though there were innumerable servants to carry out all other tasks, she was doing that work very interestingly and carefully, so that family was very happy. And also the family could not have existed happily for a single day without Meenakshi Edathi, because she was do that work very happily and interestingly. Okay, okay. These things are about Meenakshi Edathi. Okay, and also she know how, and also she only knew how much paddy should be boiled to make enough rice. Okay, and she counted how many mundus had been given to the washerman. Mundus means cloths. How many cloths were had been given to the washerman. She only knew the counting. Then she knew when to give the children a bargeti. Bargeti means it's a tablet to clean the stomach. The periodically the people were advised to use the bargeti tablets. Okay. After the function over, Meenakshi Edathi, after the function over, Maladi Kutti went along with Kamaladas and her brother to Nalabat. After the function was over, Maladi Kutti went along with Kamala and her brother to Nalabad. Okay, they are departed from Ambalatal family. Okay. Now, an hour later, they got home to Nalabad. They hear the sound of the gale. Gale means it's a storm. It's a wind, heavy wind. Gale. They hear the sound of the hail. There was a heavy rain started. Then Maladi Kutti started to cry and she wanted to see the Kutti Oppu. Okay. When she started to cry, Amamma consoled her. There was heavy rain and thunder and heavy lightning also was there. While Amama was consoling her, Amai arrived there with a tenched skin. Okay. After seeing Amai, Maladikutti feel very happily and Amai hugged Maladikutti. After seeing Amai, Maladikutti was very happy. Okay. Then Cheriyamma suggested that them to chant the Aksara slogans to forget our fear. In Tamil we are saying Gandha Sasti Kavasam, Tirupavai, Tiruvambavai. In Bible we are saying some songs of the psalm, and from Quran we are saying slogans to forget our fear. No, like that Cheriyamma suggested to that persons to tell the Aksara slogans to forget the fear, but no one ready to tell the slogans. Then Cheriyamma chanted herself, recited the slogans alone. Okay. Then Amman and Amma hear the sound of the servant woman cry, and they went upstairs. There the lady was wailing. Then Mutasi and Amama was consoled her to uh, make her relax. Okay. Then Amama asked the sound of the cow. She asked Sangaran Nair to Amama asked Sangaran Nair to tie the cow in the courtyard. In the washing area. Then Sangaran Nair said the beams are quite strong, so let the cows stay there. Here you see the picture. Can you see the cows in the shed? After the storm, the animals got fear. No. So Amama said to Sangaran Nair to tie the cow in front of the washing area. But Sangaran Nair told to Amama the cow shed's beams are quite strong. Okay. Can you see the trees? They were swaying in the storm. Can you see the house? This type of house is called Nalu Ketu in Malayalam. Then they saw the dog Tumbi dog arrived there. Now Sangaran Nair spread the cunny bag for the dog. Tumbi drenched. So the cunny bag was spreaded for the Tumbi in the veranda. Tumbi was lying down on the cunny bag. Then the storm was stopped and the rain was stopped. In the early morning, a young man pleaded to open the gate, who was Balan, came from Vadakara. He visited there. Here he asked, is everyone here all right? Amama said yes. Then he said he saw a number of curds and trees were collapsed in the flood, and he saw lots of fowls lying dead everywhere, and he told he saw dead goats floating in the water when he came to that house. Okay. While he was telling to Amama, now Kamaladas asking to Balan, have they sent us anything from Vadakara, Murkus or dates? Now Amama got angry and she started to mutter. Now Kamala ashamed after she muttered, after Amama muttered. Okay. Okay, here we have, that's all about this lesson. Now we see the identify the character and speaker. Why isn't the snake coming? During Meenakshi Edati was setting out the turmeric and milk for the snake, Kamaladas asking to Meenakshi Edati, why isn't the snake coming? So the answer is Kamaladas. And also she is the narrator of the lesson also. The narrator, the author, Kamaladas. These are the answer for this question. Okay, I wonder whether it's a cyclone. When the storm started, Amama was saying, I wonder whether it's a cyclone. So the answer is Amama. I want to see Kutti Appu. When Maladi Kutti came along with Kamaladas, when the storm started, she started to cry. I want to see Kutti Appu. So the answer is Maladi Kutti. Will the house collapse? Muttasi asked this question. After hearing the thunder, she asked the question, will the house collapse? Okay. Now, another question is she crazy? Mutasi asked to the servant woman when servant woman was crying and she was uh, kitting her hands with the head. Okay. Why she kept hitting her head with her hands? Why she wailed? So at that time, Mutasi asked, is she Gracie? Okay, so the answer is Mutasi. Okay, choose the correct answer and write it in the blank. Meenakshi Edati was a dash relative of the Ambalathal family. She is the distant relative. Okay, we suddenly heard the sound of the rain from the dash like a roar. Roar means it's a sound. Okay, they were hear the sound from the southwest. The dash with the four pillars began to overflow. Central hall. You see the picture of the central hall, four pillar. Here you see the picture. This is a central hall. There we can see the four pillars. Okay, the central hall was flooded with water. Okay, filled with water, rainwater. The central hall with four pillars began to overflow. Das arrived drenched to the skin. Amai. Amai means auntie. Auntie arrived drenched to the skin. And there was knee-deep water in the courtyard. Courtyard means mutram in Tamil. Mutram. Veetu mutram. Okay, there was a knee-deep water in the courtyard. Okay. Okay, children. I hope you understood this lesson. We will meet in another class. Thank you.